Hi, welcome back to Madam English YouTube channel. Today, we are going to listen some dialogues about making appointment. Nanti kalian akan mendengarkan 3 dialog melalui telepon yang berisikan 2 orang yang sedang membuat janji untuk bertemu. After you hear the dialogues, there will be some questions that you should answer. You should write the questions and the answers on your exercise book. After you finish it, please submit the task to your teacher. Now, let's begin with the first dialogue.
Dialogue 1.
Good morning. This is ABC Clinic. How may I help you?
Good morning, sir. I need to make an appointment with Dr. Anna.
Have you been the member of ABC Clinic before?
Yes, I have.
What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Laura.
Okay, Mrs. Laura. Hold one moment while I'm writing your name, please.
Sure, take your time.
Okay. What is the reason of making an appointment?
Well, I'm pregnant for about 4 weeks. I want to check it.
All right, Mrs. Laura. I have made the appointment. Please come to the clinic at 2 o'clock. Don't forget to wear your face mask and face shield.
All right, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Well, students, now please listen to the question for number 1 to 4.
Question number 1. What is the dialogue about? Question number 2. Why did Mrs. Laura call ABC Clinic? Question number 3. When will Mrs. Laura meet Dr. Anna? Question number 4. What should Mrs. Laura bring while coming to the clinic? Dialogue 2.
Hello, Steve.
Hi, Freya. Are you busy right now?
No, what's up?
Marco, Laura and I will watch BTS concert next week. Will you join us?
All right, I'm in. Have you bought the tickets?
Not yet. I'll buy it after watching the soccer match this afternoon. I'll buy the tickets for all of us. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you so much, Steve.
Don't mention it. Okay, Freya, see you next week. I will pick you up at 6 p.m. if you don't mind.
No, I don't. Thank you and see you, Steve.
Well, students, now listen to the questions number 5 to 7.
Question number 5. What is the dialogue about? Question number 6. What is the relationship between the man and the woman? Question number 7. When will the man buy the concert tickets? Dialogue 3.
Good morning. This is ABC Coffee Office. How can I help you?
Good morning, sir. I want to make an appointment with Mr. Emery.
All right, miss. May I know your name, please?
My name is Laura. I'm the marketing manager of Sky Hotel.
Well, please hold a moment and let me write your name. What's the reason of making the appointment, miss?
Well, yesterday I have sent a proposal to ABC Coffee Office. We're inviting ABC Coffee to be the partner on the event that we would hold next month. So, I'm going to discuss it to Mr. Emery.
All right, miss. I have made the appointment. Today, Mr. Emery will have a meeting outside of the office, and he will be back after lunch. Please come to ABC Coffee Office at 2 p.m.
Sure. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
No, sir. Thank you. Good day.
Good day.
Well, students, now listen to the question number 8 to 10.
Question number 8. Who is the woman? Question number 9. What is the purpose of the appointment? Question number 10. What will Mr. Emery do before having a meeting with Miss Laura?
This is the end of listening activity for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. See you next video. Have a great day.